So right now we're getting set up and ready to do a 200 amp electrical service. Right now my apprentice Brandon is going to grab our parts and I'm going to get the back of the truck ready so that way we can put our pack out in and make everything fit. My name's Brandon. I've been with Edison Electric for 6 years. My role is a journeyman electrician. What got me interested in becoming an electrician was when I was working on a farm up north. I was building a grain mill, so we separated different sizes of grains and seeds. And when we were building the mill, we had some millwrights come out, and they are mechanical engineers and electricians. So they kind of did it all, and I worked with them, helping them out, and they said, hey, if this is something that you really like, you should consider being an electrician. So I moved back to the cities and found a contractor that would be interested in helping me through my apprenticeship. This truck is new to me, so I got to make sure that I have all the parts. Ground rods here, we need these for lightning protection. We'll pound these in with a post pounder. So these are what we call our pack outs. These are set up with all the parts that we need for our 200 amp service. The office restocks these every day and they have all of our little knickknacks. All these pieces separate and they have all of our parts in them so that we can pull it out and get right to work. This is our 200 amp wire. We're gonna need a little bit more than this to get our service done today, but this is what it'll take to pull in the power that we need for our 200 amps. So this is our 200 amp panel, 40 space, copper bus, 200 amp panel. This is what we install when we do our 200 amp services. It's got a lifetime manufacturer's warranty, and then we back it up with our 10-year parts and labor. All right, ready? He's gonna go grab that part, and then we'll be ready to do our courtesy call to the customer and then head out to their house.